Most people have never seen a floor plan that looks like this. And I think that's a mistake. Because when you look at what this design actually does, what it gives a family that no rectangle, no U-shape, no H-shape can give them, you start to realize that the A-shaped Barndominium might be the most thoughtfully conceived residential floor plan in this entire space. Two angled wings, a short horizontal bar connecting them at the top, an enclosed upper courtyard that belongs entirely to the family, pool, lounge, complete privacy. A functional crossbar section that ties the whole living program together, and at the tip of one leg, a garage that never once crosses the family's private living world, so your vehicles, your tools, your workshop are always connected to the home without ever interrupting the spaces where your family actually lives. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly why this design works, the geometry, the privacy logic, the way it separates different zones of family life without isolating them, and why it outperforms every conventional floor plan for modern family living. By the end of this video, you will either be sketching this on a napkin or you'll know exactly why it's not right for your specific situation. Both outcomes are worth this few minutes. Let's go. The A-shaped Barndominium. What it is, how it works, and why modern families are discovering it's the floor plan they've been trying to describe for years. Reason 4 is the one that surprises most because it involves a design advantage built into the A-shape's angled geometry that no rectangular or courtyard floor plan can replicate. I'm getting to it. Stay with me. Understanding the A-shape, the geometry first. Let me be precise about what we're looking at, because once you can see this clearly, everything else makes complete sense. The A-shaped Barndominium has two angled structural wings that converge toward each other as they move away from the road. At their furthest point from the road, those two wings meet a horizontal connecting bar, creating the top of the A. The top short horizontal crossbar is the master suite. Floor-to-ceiling glass on its south-facing courtyard wall looks directly down into the private upper courtyard below. Inside the upper triangle formed by the two wings and the connecting bar sits the first courtyard, fully enclosed on three sides, pool at the center, lounge zones surrounding it, completely private. The central spine of the A, roughly halfway down the two wings, is where the shared heart of the home lives. Kitchen, dining, great room, the gathering space that every zone of the building flows toward. Below the central spine, the two wings continue outward toward the road. This lower triangular zone forms the second open, semi-private arrival and outdoor living space that faces the landscape. Glass faces both the upper courtyard to the north and the open lower courtyard to the south. Below the crossbar, the two legs continue outward at their equal length, framing the open lower courtyard, the semi-private arrival zone. At the tip of the left leg sits the garage. At the tip of the right leg, a secondary entrance or workshop. The lower courtyard between them is the face the building presents to the world. An A-shaped Barndominium feels like a home that has organized itself around protecting the people who live in it. Let's dig into the reasons why this floor plan best suits modern family living. Number 1 reason, the enclosed upper courtyard, privacy that cannot be seen into. This is the feature that makes the A-shape completely unlike anything else in the Barndominium space. The upper courtyard of the A-shaped Barndominium is enclosed on all three sides by the building itself. The two angled wings flank it. The horizontal connecting bar closes it at the top. There is no open face visible from the road. There is no sightline from any neighboring property into this space. You have a pool, a lounge area, outdoor kitchen, all of it completely invisible from any public vantage point. Not because of a fence, not because of tall hedging, because the geometry of the building makes the space structurally private. It is inside the building's footprint in every direction that matters. According to a 2024 Lombardo Home Survey of over 1,000 Americans living in multi-use homes, 62% cited lack of outdoor privacy as their primary frustration with their current property. Not indoor privacy, outdoor privacy. The inability to be in your own yard without being visible to a road, a neighbor, or a passing vehicle. The A-shaped Barndominium's enclosed upper courtyard solves that problem structurally. The pool you paid for, the afternoon you wanted to be in it undisturbed, the children playing safely without road exposure, all of it enclosed by the home itself before you plant a single hedge or build a single fence. Second reason, the crossbar as the family's command center. This is the design element that makes the A-shape function rather than just look interesting. The crossbar of the A sits at the transition point between the enclosed upper courtyard and the open lower courtyard. It is the only position in the entire building from which both outdoor zones are simultaneously visible. Stand in the kitchen of a well-designed A-shaped Barndominium, and you can look through the north-facing glass toward the pool and lounge in the upper courtyard, and through the south-facing glass toward the open arrival courtyard and the rural landscape beyond. This dual courtyard visibility from a single central kitchen position is architecturally extraordinary. It means the person preparing dinner can see the children in the pool without leaving the kitchen. It means the family knows who has arrived in the lower courtyard without moving from the dining table. The crossbar is not just a room, it is the visual command center of the entire property. According to BuildMax's April 2026 multi-generational Barndominium design report, the most successful large Barndominium layouts are those with a central gathering space that maintains visual connection to multiple outdoor zones simultaneously. The A-shape's crossbar achieves this as a structural fact of the design, not as an add-on feature. Reason 3. The open lower courtyard, the garage, arrival, utility that doesn't intrude. This is where the A-shape solves a problem that most complex Barndominium floor plans handled badly. Garage placement is one of the hardest problems in residential design. Where does it go? How does it connect to the home without destroying the privacy zones, without pushing vehicle noise and traffic through outdoor living areas, without putting the working end of the property next to the sleeping end? In the A-shape, one leg of equal length to the other extends from the crossbar to the garage at its tip. Vehicle access happens at the road-facing end of that leg, the tip of the lower A. The arrival sequence moves from garage through the leg into the crossbar, directly to the mudroom, directly to the kitchen. The entire utility journey happens inside the leg, without touching the upper courtyard, without passing near the apex bar master suite, without crossing any private outdoor zone. The right leg of the lower A, equal in length but garage-free, terminates at a secondary entrance, a workshop, a studio, a separate entry for a home-based business. The open lower courtyard between the two equal-length legs becomes the generous arrival landscape, the face the A-shape presents to the road, framing the main entry at the crossbar without revealing anything of the private world above it. Two equal legs, two different functions, neither one compromising the other, and neither one ever crossing the family's private life. Reason 4. The angled wings direct wind, light, and view simultaneously. This is the one that makes structural engineers and passive design architects pay attention when they see the A-shape. Every other courtyard Barndominium, U-shape, H-shape, O-shape, has walls that run parallel or perpendicular to the cardinal directions. Their relationship with sun, wind, and view is determined entirely by how the building is rotated on the site. The A-shape's angled wings create a completely different geometric relationship with the outdoor environment. The two wings angle inward toward the upper courtyard, which means they can be oriented to simultaneously face different compass points, collecting morning sun on one wing face and afternoon sun on the other. The angled geometry channels prevailing breezes into the upper courtyard from the open lower end, a natural funnel effect that drives cross-ventilation into the enclosed courtyard without any mechanical assistance. Research published in Nature's Scientific Reports through the 29,000 simulation courtyard study we've referenced on this channel confirms that courtyard geometry and enclosure orientation are among the most significant variables in passive thermal performance. The A-shape's angled geometry means both wings can contribute to solar gain and natural ventilation simultaneously, something a rectangular building can only achieve on 2 of its 4 faces. The view from the master suite at the upper wingtip is also a product of this geometry. The angled wing points toward whatever the property offers in that direction, a tree line, a mountain, a sunrise, without the entire building having to rotate to capture it. Reason 5. Natural zoning without interior walls. This is the social design argument. The A-shape creates 4 naturally separated zones without a single partition wall that isn't structurally necessary. The upper enclosed courtyard, private outdoor living. The master suite occupies the apex bar, the short horizontal connecting section at the very top of the A. The right wing above the crossbar, secondary bedrooms or in-law accommodation. The crossbar, shared kitchen, dining, and gathering. The lower courtyard, semi-private arrival and landscape. The garage leg, utility and vehicles.
Each zone has its own acoustic character, its own visual separation, and its own entrance capability, and none of them required a designer to invent those separations through clever wall placement. The geometry of the A-shape produces the zoning automatically. According to NAR's 2026 Generational Trends Report, 14% of all recent home purchases were multi-generational, with 41% of those buyers citing caring for aging parents as their primary reason, the highest share since tracking began in 2015. For that family specifically, 1 generation in each upper wing, grandparent suite accessible from the lower courtyard without passing through the master suite zone, shared kitchen at the crossbar where everyone converges at mealtimes, the A-shape provides the zoning structure that every multi-generational family needs and that most floor plans cannot deliver. But despite the visual appeal of this design, it has some trade-offs. I'm going to be honest here. The A-shape's angled geometry is its greatest architectural asset and its greatest structural challenge simultaneously. Angled wall construction requires more precise framing than parallel walls. The roof geometry where the 2 wings meet the connecting bar at the top of the A involves complex junction detailing, similar in complexity to the H-shape's connecting section junctions, but concentrated at the apex of the building rather than distributed along a spine.
Land requirement. The A-shape spreads wider at the base than a comparable rectangle of the same interior square footage. The lower courtyard between the 2 legs needs enough depth to function as a genuine arrival space rather than a compressed gap. On a parcel under an acre, the proportions can become difficult. On 1 to 2 acres, the A-shape has room to breathe properly. Build cost premium. The angled framing, the complex roof apex junction, and the enclosed upper courtyard glazing package will add 15 to 25% or more over a comparable rectangular Barndominium build. This is not a design to take to a builder who has not executed angled structural geometries before. The design requires a structural engineer with specific experience in non-orthogonal metal building configurations. And the enclosed upper courtyard needs the same thermal design discipline as an O-shaped courtyard, light-colored paving, designed stack effect ventilation at the apex, and proper glazing specification on the courtyard-facing wall surfaces. The enclosed geometry produces the same heat trap risk if those design variables are ignored. Here is what I want you to take from this video.
The A-shaped Barndominium is not a novelty. It is not an exercise in architectural originality for its own sake. Every element of this design, the angled wings, the enclosed upper courtyard, the crossbar command center, the garage leg, the open lower arrival zone, is solving a specific problem that modern families have been trying to solve with floor plans that were never designed to solve it. The problem is this. How do you build a home that gives a family complete outdoor privacy without sacrificing arrival presence, complete garage utility without compromising private living zones, complete zone separation without building a compound, and visual connection across all those zones from a single family gathering space? The A-shape answers all four simultaneously. The geometry does the work. The building solves the problem before the furniture is placed or the landscaping is designed. Drop a comment right now. Two things. Does your family situation match what the A-shape was built for? And what is the one feature in this design you have never seen handled this well in any other floor plan? The enclosed upper courtyard, the garage leg that never crosses the private zone, the dual courtyard view from the crossbar kitchen. Tell me what hit you. If this is the first time you've seen this design laid out this way, like it, share it with whoever is planning your build. Subscribe for more content that goes this deep. See you in the next one.